what do you think? What is the weight of this wooden box?
Who knows? I think it's 1 kg.
No. This is not the appropriate method of measuring the weight of anything.
Oh, Barbara, what is the ways of measuring the mass?
Yes, friends. In this video, you know about various methods of measurement.
चलिए करते हैं.
Length can be measured, weight can be measured, distance can be measured. But my father mother's care is not measured.
The things can be measured are known as the physical quantities. You know, only care, respect, and they are not measured, so they are not physical quantities.
Means I cannot say my mother loves me 5 kg.
Care and love cannot be measured.
Means they are not the physical quantity.
Yes, we got it.
The things we need SI units and instruments. For example, this weighing machine is used to weigh the object.
Oh, it is 12 kg.
My friends, it is only the joke. We can weigh the object on the weighing machine. What is the length of this board?
I think this board length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No. Friends, do you think this is the right method of measuring the length?
No, this is not the right way.
Method of measuring the length is meter. No friends, because सबके foot span का size अलग-अलग होता है.
In the ancient time, the length were measured were in cubit, head span, foot span, fathom.
What are you doing?
I am measuring the length of this board.
This is not a good method. What is the name of this method?
This is fathom. Do you know that our height to the length of fathom?
Oh, this is surprising. Our full height is equal to fathom length.
Devan, do you know that what is motion? I know, yes. Motion is changing place now.
Yes, motion means changing of place of an object with time. There are so many types of motions, and today I will tell you about the motion. The first motion will be performed by Kunjan. As you can see, she is moving in a straight line. It is called rectilinear motion. Means when an object is moving in a straight line, that is performing rectilinear motion.
I'll catch it. After that, I will catch it.
Now it's your turn, Vaibhav. Catch it.
Students, as you can see here, they are playing with a tire which is actually of eraser, which is moving in straight path and as well as moving in circular motion. So it is translatory motion. When an object moves in a straight path along with its components is known as translatory motion. Ashwin, what do you think that which motion this pen performs?
Yeah, it's very easy. You don't know this thing. It is performing rotational motion. Suppose you are a fixed axis and I am moving around you. The fan of your GPU and computer course are. I am moving around Ali Afzal and the blades of a fan are also moving around the fixed axis and it is called the rotational motion.
Friends, when the football and hockey players play the game, then they move anywhere. So that is called random motion.
Means I play football. It is a random motion.
Yes. Now see Arvi, when I play football, then I can move in any direction. So this is called a random motion.
Oh, thank you for telling me.
Arey, what are you doing?
Array, this is a curvilinear motion performance. When an object covers semicircle while moving, it is known as curvilinear object. Curvilinear motion.
When I bounce this ball, it also covers the semicircle now.
Yes, my friend. When we throw the ball, it covers semicircle motion.
Kushi, when I want to enjoy swings, that time I do swings in my imagination.
अरे इमेजिनेशन में कैसे स्विंग करोगे?
अरे बहुत आसान है, बताऊँ क्या? Here I am covering particular distance in a time. Its shape happens in pendulum swings, and this is oscillating motion.
Then also I will get swings in rotation. What is this motion?
This motion.
Name the motion.
Movement of snake is
Driving of car is
Playing the guitar is
rotation of Earth around the sun is
Degree.